Hi, I'm Michael Wright, President of Power Grid Engineering. When faults happen on an electrical power system, a short circuit is created that causes high currents to flow through the power system. This high current can damage equipment and can be fatal if not controlled. The fault that created the high current must be isolated from the rest of the power system. At Power Grid Engineering, we apply the equipment that can detect the fault and open breakers which isolate or turn off the faulted portion of the power system.
For example, when there is a short circuit in your home, the AC panel has breakers that can isolate the problem areas, leaving the power on in all other rooms. Lightning strikes and debris from hurricanes are examples of larger scale faults on a power system that needs to be isolated. Power Grid Engineering, known as PGE, designs computer-based relays that can detect these problems and open up breakers that turn off the line that has been struck. Founded in January 2007 by 3 former Progress Energy design engineers, PGE specializes in engineering design and consultation for the power systems industry. With 2 company locations in Central Florida and their newest office in Birmingham, Alabama, PGE is equipped with the most current industry resources available. Experiencing remarkable growth in just over 5 years, Power Grid Engineering employs over 75 people, which include an engineering design and field services team that develop engineering print packages, utilize test equipment, and commission installed equipment to ensure that the power system will work correctly when a fault occurs. Power Grid Engineering doesn't design equipment that protects the power system, but designs the applications that manufacturers have developed to protect the power systems. It's PGE's drawing packages that show how these devices will be installed and connected so that the proper fault will be detected and the correct breakers opened to clear that fault. PGE may be an electrical engineering firm primarily serving utility companies such as Florida Power & Light, Duke Energy, and Southern Company, just to name a few, but they also are a local company, and more importantly, a neighbor in every community where they live and work. Besides their involvement with emerging leaders of the United Way, the Back to School Drive benefiting A Gift for Teaching, First Engineering for high school students, Relay for Life, and Second Harvest Food Bank, every year Power Grid Engineering sends one person to represent their company at Leadership Seminole, a program that brings business leaders together to make a difference in their community. Power Grid Engineering has been recognized by Florida Trend Magazine as one of Florida's best companies to work for 2 years in a row. In 2011, they joined an elite group of companies for Grow Florida's Companies to Watch. In 2011, they were named the top winner for the Outstanding Small Business Award by the Orlando Business Journal. And in 2012, PGE's President Michael Wright was named Seminole Chamber's Small Business Person of the Year. PGE recognizes that their most important assets are their people.